Welcome to this video. Let's talk a little bit about the heart. The heart is home for our most prized possessions, the things that we are connected to the most. So in this case, this particular video is going to be about why my heart skips some beats or has some kind of dysfunctional arrhythmia of some kind, right? This is obviously not medical advice, just sharing the emotional connection to it and how biomagnetic therapy can help. Because the heart is the foundation or home for my family, my loved ones, when it has some kind of alteration in the rhythm, most of the time it's connected to feeling unsafe within my tribe. That could be the bigger picture, like an entire neighborhood, city, even country, I guess in some cases. But most of the time I find that it's connected to the closer, tighter circle in our life, often down to my household. So not necessarily even about like my siblings or parents, but if I live like on my own and I don't feel safe there, I could start experiencing some kind of arrhythmia. So I see these a lot when there is trauma involving feeling unsafe in my own home. I'm trying to look for a way out. I'm in conflict because I love my home, but I hate my home. My home feels safe, but it feels unsafe. There is that dichotomy that we go through when there is trauma. So for the biomagnetic side of things, now obviously this is just one of many possibilities. In some cases, it's just a little bit of potassium imbalance, but often there's a reason why the body has a potassium imbalance, and we go back to the emotions. So from the biomagnetic code, we've discovered that often it's helpful to do black side down in the heart and then red side down in both lungs, front or back, and also to do double pole magnet near the esophageal hiatus, like near that area. For some reason, most of the time there's a lot of emotions trapped there when I'm working with a person that has arrhythmia. So those are very, very common. Again, this disclaimer, just because they are common doesn't mean that you will find those spots, but more likely you will. If you're interested in learning, becoming a certified therapist, any questions, just feel free to reach out, comment, like, subscribe if you want. I appreciate it. Thank you.